So you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe. Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures, committed to truly educational student travel.
Hi, I am Ran Sachdeva. I am a student of class 8 of school MSMS. I am in the amazing location of India, and in this edition of Terra Talk, I am going to talk about the safari and the learning in Ranthambore.
Hi, I'm Pradyuman Goyal. I'm also here for hosting our guests for this Terra Talk. Let us introduce our guests.
Hi, myself Navya Jain.
Hello, my name is Arya Sachdeva.
Hi, my name is Swasti Goyal.
Hello, I am Shreya Bansal.
Terra Talk, a platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
It has also a national park which is basically designed for saving tigers from the poachers.
Arya, do you know why tigers are wild from the poachers? Yes, I know. The poachers uses their part like brains, claws, eyeballs, etc. for their commercial use. They uses their parts for making medicines.
Yes, Arya. Navya, what is the significance of Ranthambore National Park in terms of wildlife conservation?
The park is majorly famous for its tiger and is one of the best locations in India to see the majestic predators in its natural habitat. The number of tigers was 25 in 2005 and 48 in 2030. As of 2014, there were 62 tigers in Ranthambore National Park.
You are right, Navya.
Arya, can you name some of the iconic species that inhabit at Ranthambore, particularly those that are endangered? It is home to over 40 species of mammals, 320 species of bird, over 40 species of reptiles, and over 300 species of plant. Currently, it is home to 60 adult tigers and 16 cubs. Exactly.
Swasti, I want to know, how has Ranthambore historical background influenced its current role as a wildlife sanctuary?
In 1955, the entire forest cover around Ranthambore was declared as the Savai Madhopur Sanctuary, and thus any kind of commercial activity in the forest was completely prohibited. However, the count of tigers in the forest came on the verge of extinction in the country.
Amazing, Swasti.
Shreya, what are the best times of year for safari in Ranthambore and why?
The winter season between October and March is considered the best time to visit Ranthambore National Park due to the pleasant weather condition when the temperature ranges between comfortable 10 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. During this season, animals can be seen in the broad daylight basking under the sun.
Navya, can you tell me what measures are in the place to assure the sustainable tourism and protection of the ecosystem in Ranthambore?
The central government has instituted the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The act accommodates the making of protected areas for the insurance of natural life, and furthermore, the Natural Life Climate Crime Patrol Bureau has been set up for the control of extinct ultimate life, including jeopardized species.
Exactly, Navya.
So, at the end, we would say that the animals are also a living organism. They also have right to live in this world.
Yes, Pradyuman, we should not harm the wild animals, and the illegal poaching, which is done by the poachers, should be stopped. At the end, I, Ayan,
And I, Pradyuman,
would like to thank our audience for coming here. Thank you.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for new podcasts on edterra.com/Terra Talk.